Said, bah, humbug! Every year, Della invited him to dinner, and every year Scrooge refused. Sadly, Della's cooking was so bad.
How bad was it?
It was so bad the flies chipped in to fix the screen door.
Oh!
Calico Mine Ride. The 60th anniversary. November 1960.
Still running.
Very cool.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Merry Christmas. I'm no longer a meanie. Ebenezer Scrooge is a nice guy now. Merry
I know. You guys do Peter. Fire up. Yeah.
Ebenezer Scrooge. Ebenezer Scrooge.
What's that? Who's there? Scrooge. What do you want? Who are you?
I would go partner, Jacob Marley.
Your feather didn't change, Jacob. Why is that?
I made the chains I forged in life. I made them link by link, yard by yard, of my own free will.
But you were a good man of business.
Piteous fate. Remember me, Ebenezer, and remember what has passed between us.
Have any questions, feel free to ask. I am a plethora of knowledge.
Thank you.
Our building currently that you're standing in right now is over 120 years old.
Wow.
This used to be one of the neighbors' farmhouses somewhere down the road. Had been in place for 20 years before the Knott family first moved here in 1920, so the building is technically older than Knott's Berry Farm. They're celebrating their 100-year anniversary technically this year, but official celebration should be next year because
Yep.
100-year event.
Yep. awesome.
Everything up on the walls is going to be authentic, especially all of our animal and stuff like that. These are all old knives. We got a couple old bayonets and stuff, one from like 1862.
Where's that at?
That one's going to be right up here. So that's going to be a French bayonet, and I'm pretty sure that's an 1862. It might be a little bit older. Wait, no, 1866. I'm lying. I think that's two sixes.
Very cool.
But yeah, all blades up there. And then on this side we got a lot of old animal and stuff like that. And that's all authentic. We are currently the oldest independently owned shop here at Knott's Berry Farm.
Oh.
We should be next year starting our 55th year in business here.
Wow, amazing.
My
Very
boss
cool.
grew up running the archery range and stuff back in the day that we had.
Oh,
and
very
while
cool.
his parents ran the shop and
Really?
stuff. So,
Wow. Very cool. Thank you.
yeah, you're welcome.
Hey guys, it's Liz here for Coaster Views. I'm here at Knott's Berry Farm, which is actually right now Knott's A Taste of Mary Farm. Here in Buena Park, California, I'm enjoying myself some, oh my goodness, it's creme brulee. It's eggnog creme brulee. I'm also enjoying some lemonade, pear, ginger spice lemonade from Rudolph's.